So yeah, obviously you see I had to adjust the camera because we've got none other than Mr. Jake Estrada here.
What's up, guys?
Baker Cam. So Jake, we know that we see you all over the place doing a whole bunch of things, and today we just wanted to take a little time and say thank you for everything that you do for the comic scene. And tell us a little bit about yourself. What got you into it? What do you enjoy about it?
Stand up.
Everything.
Like most stories, my dad brought home a comic. It was actually The Punisher, first issue of The Punisher from like 1984, Circle of Blood. And I just opened it up and I found out the whole story. And I was like, you know what? I want to make comics myself. And that's when I just started to produce my own comics, started drawing, started scrabbling on the wall, getting beat up by mom.
Like we all did.
Yeah, exactly, man. So, more or less, I got into that, but then, as you get older, people start telling you, oh, you should do this and do that, and you kind of deviate a little bit. But by the time I got to high school, I knew for sure I was going to work in comics. I didn't care how, what position, whatever. And people were like, Jake, you're crazy, man. You're like 6'9", you're playing basketball and football. But I had this thing. I hated people telling me what to do. And when they would tell me, you should play basketball, I'm like, okay, I won't play basketball. I'm going to do this. And people are like, you're stupid. You're going to starve. You're going to do this. I'm like, what? I'm going to keep working on it. So I went to college, got a degree in multimedia design.
There you go. Bam.
Yep. And then, once again, though, life caught up with me. And I heard the news for a little bit. So then, by the time I got an associate in multimedia design, I got a degree also in criminal justice.
There you go.
And I worked as a bouncer, but comics was always
in the back. Yep.
I never quit doodling.
Even like me, when I was active duty, I was always doing comics in the back. Active duty.
Yeah, you have to, man. That's your passion. And you can't kill your passion.
And with Jake, I've attended numerous events with him. Jake was at ICC Con and Space Coast Con. We see him there. He's all over the place. Jake is really doing it big on the indie scene. And as a whole, we just wanted to tell him today on Baker Cam from ICC, we really appreciate you. So Jake, what can we expect to see from you next? Where are you going? What you're working on? All that kind of stuff.
Well, I'm always on Space Coast Comics. Space Coast Comics is a local free magazine that I produce that has advertising, and advertising makes it possible to allow me to print the magazine and distribute it. Because my number one goal is to get people to read comics.
There you go.
And to potentially pick up other people's comics that are out there. Get them to comic shops, get them where comics are, but also to find new and amazing creators. And that's why I'm always looking for anybody that's willing to contribute a short 2-page, 3-page, 4-page, 5-page.
You heard it first.
I'll publish your story. If I love it, you just send it to me. I love everything. And I'll publish you an issue and we'll lead you back to your main series. I'm here to help you out. If you want to just talk to me and just meet me write a little short bio of you, I'll put a bio even in my own issue too.
He will do it. Trust me, Jake will do it. Because that's what he says.
I love this industry. Independent comics is the number one backbone of this industry. And that's why I love Baker here. Terrence is the man. Terrence is a good man, and I'm happy to be on this show today, talking with him.
Baker Cam, that's right.
Baker Cam is number one.
Well, listen, we want to tell Jake we thank him for everything. We really appreciate him. He's a great artist, publisher, writer, you name it. I've seen some of his stuff. I've bought some of his stuff.
Yes,
and
you did.
You got to check him out, okay? So from ICC, we want to give you a high five and say thank you, Jake Estrada. He's the man. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're out.